Alright guys, today's activity, I'm going to go over the answer sheet, and the instructions are on the answer sheet, but I wanted to go side by side with the slide. So for the first 8, it says write the equation of the new quadratic function. Make sure to look at the solid line example, negative x squared, x plus 3 in parentheses squared plus 5. So like in number 1 here on the actual activity, they have a dashed line which actually represents y equals x squared, and then the solid line is the transformation. So you have to give the equation in y equals form of the solid line for the first 8. Okay, so let's skip down to number 9 where it changes. Now, number 9 says describe how function 2 is changed from function 1. Well, for 9 through 13, function 1 is always going to be y equals x squared, and you're just describing the change. So remember, it could be a shrink, a vertical shift, how many spaces. So maybe it shrinks and it moves up 5 spaces, so you'd write, vertical shrink and then plus 5. You can use arrows on this. I don't mind as long as I can understand your description, what's happening. So that is for problems 9 through 13. For 14, 15, and 16, it says choose the correct answer and write it in the box. So for those last 3, those are actually old star questions that have cycled through, and you just need to write A, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, or like on the second one that's a fill in the blank, you're going to have to give a numerical answer. But just read those star questions, answer them to the best of your ability, and write your answers here, here, and here. Hope you enjoy this activity. The kids in class are going to do this roaming around the room. Obviously, at home, I'm not going to make you cut these out and put them around the room and try the activity. Just make sure you have this printed out or you on a paper. You can number 1 through 16, but the directions are on the answer sheet, so make sure you follow the directions each one and answer the questions on the paper. All right? Good luck on your activity.